Now, in election season, this kind of a visit by the Prime Minister to Varanasi has, of course, led to a political fight. And SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav, while lashing out to the Prime Minister and the inauguration of the Kashi Vishwanath project, has made an extremely controversial comment, saying people spend their last days in Kashi. Here are the details of what Akhilesh said and the reaction that's coming from the BJP.
जो अभी तक विकास के कार्यों का उद्घाटन हुआ है.
As state of war, Uttar Pradesh has been fanned to fever pitch with Monday's Kashi fervor. A vicious snipe from BJP's main challenger in the state has dropped like a bombshell. Asked about Prime Minister Narendra Modi's month-long plans in his Lok Sabha constituency Banaras, here is how Akhilesh Yadav shot back.
बनारस में आज प्रधानमंत्री हैं और 1 महीने का कार्यक्रम वहां रखे जा रहे हैं.
बहुत अच्छी बात है. 1 महीना नहीं, 2 महीना, 3 महीने वहीं रहें, अच्छी बात है. वो जगह रहने वाली है. आखिरी समय पर वहीं रह जाता है बनारस में.
A stray bullet that is being seen as distasteful and displaying a vicious personal disregard for a rival political leader, especially someone like Narendra Modi, who has always managed to convert such belligerence into political capital.
While Akhilesh Yadav may have tried to suggest that his remarks were actually against the BJP government in Uttar Pradesh being in its final days, such remarks against the Prime Minister at the receiving end have had a history of backfiring very badly.
Only time will tell if Akhilesh Yadav's Aakhri Din attack has anywhere close to the same kind of effect that Manishankar Iyer did when he made the infamous invitation to candidate Narendra Modi to serve tea at the Congress party headquarters in the run-up to 2014 elections. But in the state of war Uttar Pradesh, expect no ammunition to be left on the shelf.
It should surprise nobody that Akhilesh Yadav speaks like this. Those who eulogize Jinnah, who feel Taliban is Mahan, जो औरंगजेब की तरफ पेश आए, उनके लिए ये बातें इस प्रकार की करना बड़ी आम है.
The Modi Akhilesh Takkar has been simmering for the last few days. Last week, the Prime Minister opened his direct attack at the Samajwadi Party, drawing an immediate response.
याद रखिए, लाल टोपी वाले यूपी के लिए रेड अलर्ट है, रेड अलर्ट यानी खतरे की घंटी है.
जिस पूर्वांचल समाजवादी पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेस वे का उद्घाटन हुआ है, उसका उन्होंने शिलान्यास किया था. और कम से कम ये बताना चाहिए, जो जीप से कुचले थे किसान, वो मंत्री और उनके जो समर्थक थे, उनके खिलाफ कानूनी कार्रवाई कब होगी और किसानों को न्याय कब मिलेगा.
That flashpoint has set off a chain reaction of crossfire between both sides, including a consistent salvo of attacks by Akhilesh Yadav that the BJP was taking credit for his party's work.
ये सरकार ऐसी है जो नाम बदलने वाली है, रंग बदलने वाली है और फीता लखनऊ से दिल्ली से कैंची और उद्घाटन होने लगा.
Uttar Pradesh's state of war is now well and truly in top gear. With Mohit Sharma in Kashi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's move on to some other stories also that we're tracking this morning.